A very good morning to all of you, my dear friends. This is Shafiq Ahmed, and you're all welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Let's learn together.
So, a very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Let us begin our class of today. And what we have discussed so far previously about the elections, that elections are the only means available to a common people to change the government, and this is the only mean through which we can change a government. If we don't like a particular government, if the particular government is not listening to us, if they are not doing the work for the welfare of the people, then we have the right to change such a government. And how can we change? We can change with the help of election. We will vote against those particular government which are not doing work for the citizen of the country. Then we will vote against them and we will try to elect a new government. We must give chances to a new government also, so that they can do something for us. Apart from elections, जनरली विच आर हेल्ड एवरी 5 years, इलेक्शन जनरली तो 5 साल में ही होता है. सो पीपल पार्टिसिपेट बाय एक्सप्रेसिंग अप्रूवल और डिसअप्रूवल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट डिसीजंस. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम इलेक्शन के अलावा ना, वी कैन ऑल्सो एक्सप्रेस आवर व्यूज रिगार्डिंग ए पर्टिकुलर गवर्नमेंट डिसीजंस, है ना. Not we should not we don't have to wait for 5 years, है ना, to show our views, to express our views or to express our approval or rejection regarding a particular government decision. यानी गवर्नमेंट ने अगर कोई डिसीजन लिया है तो उसके फेवर में बोलना है या उसके अगेंस्ट में आपको कोई एक्शन लेना है या फेवर में कोई एक्शन लेना है, then you don't have to wait for 5 years for the election. We can still express our views regarding a particular government decisions about the approval or the disapproval. अगर आप approve करते हैं, yeah, government decision is good, then you can say yes, it is good. Again, if the government is not favoring the citizen of the country, then you can disapprove. Now let me tell you how you can do this. Because I am saying that you don't have to wait for 5 years for the election. Then how can we express? So what we can do, let us see over here. What we can do over here, yet I have highlighted. We can take out rallies. We can take out processions. Processions यानी कि हम लोग rallies and processions are a little bit similar. So we can take out rallies. We can collect people together and we can protest against the government decisions. है ना. तो लोगों का हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, रैलीज निकाल सकते हैं, रास्ते पे प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑल्सो, और we can collect near a particular government building also, such as CM के हाउस या DM के घर के पास या DM ऑफिस को हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, घेराव भी कर सकते हैं. We can collect at a particular place also. We can take out rallies and we can protest against the government decisions. We can say the slogan also. बहुत सारे slogans लिख कर आपने देखा होगा. Many times you might have seen in India also that people are on the streets protesting against a particular government also. So, for example, let us say one of the example is there that during demolition drive by the Delhi government. Demolition drive का मतलब क्या है? The government was destroying or destructing, you can say, all the illegal buildings or illegal places, such as you will find a lot of shops have taken more space of the streets also. You can, if you will go to the market, you will see that many shops have taken out their products and just selling on the footpath also. आपने देखा होगा बहुत दफा, है ना, मार्केट में कि बहुत सारे दुकानदार क्या करते हैं, अपने बहुत सारे सामान को बाहर निकाल के रखते हैं और बेचते हैं. और बहुत दफा आपने देखा होगा कि many of the shopkeepers have created some illegal structure also out of their shop, है ना. बहुत सारी दफा क्या होता है कि दुकानदार लोग क्या करते हैं, बहुत सारा इलीगल स्ट्रक्चर भी बाहर दुकान के बाहर बना लेते हैं, है ना, जैसे बैठने के लिए या कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स रखने के लिए. दे यूज्ड टू क्रिएट सच स्ट्रक्चर. many time people used to use they started using the government products also, or the public property also. Just for example, the government has created footpath for the people to walk, है ना. यू कैन सी, आप देख सकते हैं रास्ते में साइड में जो है, दोनों साइड में क्या रहता है, फुटपाथ बना हुआ रहता है, सो दैट पीपल कैन वॉक थ्रू, है ना, सो दैट वी कैन वॉक थ्रू. बट मेनी टाइम यू विल सी दैट द शॉपकीपर्स हैव जस्ट केप्ट देयर ओन प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन दैट फुटपाथ एंड पीपल आर अनएबल टू move also. So what the government, Delhi government was doing, Delhi government was demolishing, means destroying, यानी दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट वो तोड़ दे रहे थे वो सारे इलीगल स्ट्रक्चर्स को. सो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट वाज जस्ट डेमोलेटिंग ऑल दोस illegal structures. So what the people have done, they took out protest rallies, organized public meetings, and they started signature campaign also against the government. तो गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ लोगों ने क्या शुरू कर दिया, प्रोटेस्ट करना, रैली निकालना. they started organizing public meeting, they started doing meeting, है ना, लोग आपस में मीटिंग करने लगे, and they started writing a letter and signing. So one letter has been written, and every shopkeeper or every people or who were just having problem with the government decision of demolition, they were just signing also. That is known as signature campaign. Even Delhi traders and shopkeepers, they went on strike and down the shutters of their shops and factories. Delhi के traders, even the shopkeepers, they went on strike, है ना, उन्होंने strike start कर दिया. And they shut down their shops and even factories also to oppose, to go against the Delhi government decisions of demolition. लोगों ने दुकान बंद कर दिया है, शॉप बंद कर दिया है, स्ट्राइक शुरू कर दिया है. Strikes and burns are also organized to protest against the government apathy, that is indifference. Apathy means what? If government is not thinking of yourself, if government is not taking interest regarding the citizens of the country. So people used to do strike and band, है ना, लोग strike और बंद कर देते हैं for what? To protest against the government apathy as well as indifference on health, sanitation and price rise. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि the government, they do not do any work, or they do not take any good decisions, है ना, on the basis of health, in the field of health, in the field of sanitation. लोगों के जैसे कि government hospital, they are not suppose they are not constructing new government hospitals, and if they are not providing good facilities in the government hospitals, then also people can do strike and burn. They can protest against those government decisions or government actions. If the government is not looking taking care of the sanitation, हो सकता है कि that in your area no one of the sweeper from the government is coming and sweeping the area, and even no one is collecting, taking the garbage out, no one is removing the garbage from your area, then that is the work that has not been done by the government, and that should be done by the government and the municipal corporation. And if there is a rise in the price of a particular product or a particular food item, या कोई चीज का दाम बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है, तब भी हम लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं. People used to start protest against the indifference on health, sanitation or price rise. And let me tell you one more fact, my dear students, that once the government in Delhi was voted out of power because the price of onion in Delhi had skyrocketed. एक बार तो ये हुआ that the government of Delhi has been changed, है ना, by the people. The people have voted against that particular government because why? What was the reason? Because the price of onion, है ना, प्याज जो होता है उसका प्राइस बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया था, है ना, had skyrocketed, यानी आसमान छू रहा था price of the onion. So people have voted against that particular government. They changed the government because of the price of onion had skyrocketed. तो ये भी हो सकता है कि कभी कोई चीज का दाम बहुत बढ़ जाएगा, then that government will be changed. People used to vote against that government. So we don't have to wait for 5 years. We can protest, we can take out rallies, we can take out processions, and हम लोग बहुत सारे लोग को एक जगह कर सकते हैं. We can do public rallies, we can do public meetings. leaders of the opposition parties are in the forefront of such campaign, and the leader of the opposition party के जो leaders होते हैं वो lead करते हैं. They used to lead us, है ना, they used to guide us, they used to guide the local people or the local leaders also know how to do that particular rally or campaign. So the opposition are they have to they take steps to guide us, to guide the people, and they are in the forefront. यानी opposition leaders है वो सामने से आते हैं, वो सामने से आके मदद करते हैं लोगों के, और वो पार्टीज, opposition party जो है वो रैलीज वगैरह ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. Sometimes the government has to change or cancel its decision if the public opinion is against that particular decision. So government को कभी-कभी क्या करना पड़ता है, change करना पड़ता है अपने decision को, और the government has to cancel a particular decision also if all the people are against that particular government decision. गवर्नमेंट के डिसीजन के खिलाफ बहुत सारे लोग अगर हो जाएंगे, then the government will have to change the decision or cancel its decision also. So we can still make changes within that 5 years also. हम लोगों को 5 साल का वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा. We can still change. How can we change? We can change by protesting, by strike, by the help of strike, by the help of Bandh, and by the help of public meetings, and by the help of signature campaign, by taking out rallies, by taking out processions, by doing strike, by doing Bandh. We can force the government to change their decision or cancel their decision which is against us. So we have many ways to change the decision. Now the world is digital. Now we have digital platform. Now we have social platform also, social networking sites also to protest against the government. अब हम लोगों के पास एक नया तरीका है. We have the media, we have the social media, we have the social networking sites also. So we can go digitally also. Let us see how. Nowadays, प्रिंट एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, दैट इज न्यूज में, पेपर, मैगजीन, टीवी, रेडियो, हम लोग यहाँ पर भी आके प्रोटेस्ट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट, वी कैन एक्सप्रेस आवर व्यूज इन द न्यूज़पेपर, इन द मैगजीन, एंड इन द टीवी चैनल, एंड इवन इन द रेडियो ऑल्सो. These things can play a vital role in discussing various issues of the public importance. So many times you might have seen in the news channel that 4 or 5 people from the opposition and one or two from the ruling government, also ruling party, they have all sit together and they are discussing on a particular issue of public importance. So this media, that such as newspaper, magazine, even TV and radio, they can really play a very important role in discussion also. वहां पर लोग सामने में आते हैं, डिस्कस करते हैं, and the whole country watch that particular discussion, and then they come to a particular point so that they can solve the problems of the people of the country. They bring to light various decisions and acts of government, है ना. ये न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन्स की मदद से ही हम लोगों को पता चलता है. We come to know about many government decisions and the act of the government. Suppose a government has introduced one new law or one new act, then how will we know? Then this particular print and electronic media comes in front and tell us about the government decision and tell us about the government act also. So these are really helping us. Citizens express their opinion on TV, through radio, through newspaper. You can write about your own views regarding a particular government problem or government decision. You can write in the newspaper. You can write to the editor of the newspaper about your problem, about your issues, and that particular newspaper will publish. They will have to publish your opinion or your views in the newspaper also. The media has also bring forth views of the government along with the views and the reviews of the issues by prominent personalities. So the media also bring out the views. कभी कभी media आप देखेंगे they request few important persons like chief minister, like prime minister. They call those persons also to answer the people in front of all the country citizens, if in front of the citizens of the whole country. So many times this prominent means very famous personalities, है ना? So many times they also used to come on TV channel and they used to answer, and they used to present their views and their review also. They used to present us so that we can listen to them, we can discuss with them also. So we must be very thankful to this print and electronic media, so because they are also helping a lot. So apart from all this, my dear students, there are many social networking sites also where you can express your views, such as Facebook are there, Twitter is also there, Instagram is also there. So you can also express your views and give your opinions through these social media networking sites also. So people start different type of Twitter campaign also. Twitter में भी campaign चलता है, Twitter account बनाकर उसमें भी आप जो है campaign कर सकते हैं. और you can even talk directly to the prime minister of your country. You can talk directly with the chief minister of your country, of your state also, with the help of Twitter or Instagram and many social networking sites. आप directly message उनको भेज सकते हैं with the help of Twitter and other social networking sites. So in a democracy, the government used to run according to the wish of the people, है ना? Democratic government में क्या होता है? In a democracy, the government run according to the wish of the people. Government कैसे काम करता है? हम लोगों के हिसाब से, हम लोगों के wishes के हिसाब से. They used to work and they have to work. If they will not do the work according to the wishes of the people, then we have the right to protest against them. We have the right to change such a government during election. But before the election, during their tenure of 5 years, we can also force them to change their decision with the help of many things that I have discussed just now. No government in a democratic country can stay for lifetime, है ना? कोई भी government democratic country में जिंदगी भर के लिए नहीं आता. They do not come for the long time. They cannot remain in power for long time. Yes, they can remain for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, but there will be a time that they will have to change. People used to change such a government if such government ignores public opinion. अगर कोई government public opinion को नहीं मानता है, वो public के बारे में नहीं सोचता है, if they do not do things according to the wish of the people or the citizen of the country, then such government will no longer be in the ruling side. They will have to be removed, and we used to remove them. Even a dictator, even a despotic cannot continue to rule for a long without the support of the people, of the public, है ना? Even a dictator, यानी जो अपने बातों को चलाता है, वो भी ज्यादा दिन रूल नहीं कर सकता without the support of the people. So in short, there is one statement that if a government want to be there in power for long time, then such government will have to work according to the wishes of the citizen of the country. That particular government will have to work for the welfare of the people of the country. If they will not work for the people, for the welfare of the country, they will be removed. They will have to go, and their power, they will not have power. But you can see, my dear students, not all section of people in our country are able to participate. We know that every people is not able to participate in election or in those protest or rallies. सभी लोग जो है participate नहीं कर सकते हैं. Teeming millions of Indians who live in villages. Now we are talking about the people who live in the villages, who are downtrodden, यानी जो पिछड़े हुए हैं, बिछड़ गए हैं जो लोग, है ना? तो वो लोग, और खास करके जो लोग विलेज साइड में रहते हैं, they can't participate because they don't have much time, they don't have much wealth also. उनके पास ना तो पैसा होता है और ना तो time होता है. Even they don't have such Android mobile phones available with them so that they can write and they can tweet. So these people, Allah, they are really a majority of the people who are not able to participate in the government decisions, or they are not able to participate even in the protest, or even in the election system also. So you can say that these downtrodden people, यानी कि जो बिछड़ गए हैं, they find it difficult to make their voices heard in the working of the government. इन लोगों का आवाज जो है गवर्नमेंट तक नहीं पहुंच पाता है. During election, all sort of unfair means are also adopted by the candidates and their supporters. You can see it is written clearly that unfair means यानी कि गलत चीजों का इस्तेमाल करना, चोरी करना, यानी कि अनफेयर थिंग, इलीगल थिंग्स का सपोर्ट लेना. दे यूज्ड टू टेक द रूलिंग गवर्नमेंट, खास करके ना ड्यूरिंग इलेक्शन क्या होता है कि एक पर्टिकुलर कैंडिडेट और उसके जो सपोर्टर होते हैं वो बहुत चीटिंग भी करते हैं इलेक्शन में जीतने के लिए, है ना. दे ट्राई ऑल देयर बेस्ट, है ना. दे ट्राई मेनी अनफेयर मीन्स ऑल्सो टू विन एन इलेक्शन. What type of unfair mean? What they will do, they will give money to the people, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, please vote for me, I will pay you 500 rupees. Even they will offer you good food, है ना. पार्टी देंगे आज, आप लोग मेरे को वोट करना, आज मुझे वोट करना ना, you please vote me, I will give you one good party. And they also make very false promises also. That is also unfair mean, है ना. बहुत सारे तो कैंडिडेट्स क्या करेंगे, false promise करेंगे ना, झूठा झूठा promise करेंगे आपको कि if I will win then I will do this and I will do that. So people, they really, these candidates use many unfair means, money power and muscle power. You can see they use money power. बहुत दफा they will use their money to change your view, to force you to vote for them. They will force you also. वो आपसे जबरदस्ती भी करेंगे with their muscle power. Muscle power means what? With the help of the criminals, है ना. वो लोग criminals का मदद लेंगे, यानी आपको ताकत से भी झुकाने का कोशिश करेंगे. They will try to use muscle power, they will try to use money power to even they used to influence the voters, they to affect the voters को झुकाने के लिए, उनको मजबूर करने के लिए वो कभी तो उनको पैसे से खरीदना चाहेंगे, और अगर आप पैसे से नहीं बिकेंगे तो आपको वो मार भी सकते हैं ना. They will beat you, they can kill you also. They will use muscle power also to change the view of the voter, to change the vote. The electronic media is limited to towns and cities and still out of reach for millions of poor village folks, है ना. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया जो है आज भी जो है वो बहुत सारे गांव में नहीं पहुंच सका है. They are not available in many of the villages. Electronic media such as TV, even newspaper also are not reachable, and even social media networking sites are also not available in those poor or village areas. Even there is no light facility also available, and there is no network of mobile network also available in many villages of India also. So how will those people will connect with the government? वो लोग कैसे कनेक्ट करेंगे, है ना. Because they don't have light, they don't have even electronic media also available at their place. They don't have a mobile phone, they don't have mobile network in their village. Then how will they connect with us, है ना. The illiterate people can't read newspapers, है ना. गांव में तो आप देखेंगे many people in the village side, in the rural areas, they are illiterate, they don't have education, they don't know how to read. Then how will they read newspapers? How will they come to know about the different news, about the different rules and regulations of the government? And how will they know about the various activities or the facilities which the government is providing to them? They will not be able to know about those facilities also. So we must be literate, and we should try others also to teach them, to make them literate also. We must try to help each other whenever and however we can. जितना भी आप हो सके मदद करना चाहिए लोगों को बताने के लिए, सिखाने के लिए. We must try to help each other.
Hope that you have liked the video, and we will meet again in our next video release of the tutorial. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the information of the next release of the tutorial. Please share it with your friends and others also. Thank you for the time being. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye. Take care.